Birthday. Birthday.
Happy birthday! May God bless you always! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo! Mama Chocolate!
Happy birthday, Ate Girlie. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. O, dali.
Happy birthday, Tita Girlie. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan.
Hi, Miss Girlie! Happy birthday sa'yo! Wish ko lang good health and more blessing to come na darating sa'yo at sa family mo. Thank you sa paging mabait mo sa akin. Yeah, yun lang. Happy birthday again. Bye!
Hi Tita Ge, happy birthday. I just want to say thank you po for everything. Thank you po sa mga support na binibigay niyo po sa aming magkakapatid. Stay pretty and healthy lang po. And I wish you all the best po. Yun lang po. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi. Love ya. See you soon po.
Mudira, happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo yung, syempre, ikakaligaya ng puso mo. Happy birthday and wish you all the best. God bless as always.
Happy birthday, Ate Ke!
Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, Ge.
Happy birthday, Tige! Ingat! Ano ba? Magbibidyo ko hindi! Huwag mo lang itong ikat, okay?
Tay, happy birthday Stay healthy. No vodka, okay? More pogi-pogi, no chicks. Bye.
Hello, Miss Gali. Happy birthday. I'm coming for birthday party. Bye.
Ate G! Happy birthday po sa'yo. You're everyone's source of everything. Source of food, source of wisdom. So, continue to be a blessing to the people around you. I wish you nothing but a good health, a good heart, and genuine happiness. Enjoy!
Girlie, maraming salamat sa Panginoon Diyos at ako ay isa sa binigyan ni Mimi ng pagkakataon na ikaw ay aking batiin. Ikaw ay binabati ko ng isang maligaya at maasayang kaarawan. Mag-ingat ka, si Chris, lalo tigit si Kristo. Muli, happy birthday, girlie. Love you sa inyo from my heart.
Happy birthday, Miss Gia. Bigyan ka pa sana ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at malusog na pangangatawan ko. Ano man ang hinihiling mo, alam ko na ibibigay yun sa'yo ni Lord. Yun lang, happy birthday uli. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Miss Girlie, aka Miss Girlita. Happy birthday to you. Manghinaot ko na tagaan ka sa Ginoo og taas na kinabuhi sa taas kaayo og baskog na lawas kay ikaw ba ang tagbuhat og kape sa buong global no, so dapat taas og baskog gyud imong lawas. So thank you, salamat o salamat kaayo sa kape sa kada-adlaw. Mao nang kusgan kaayo ko mag-pull out kay tungod lang gyud sa imong kape. Daghan kay salamat, dako kasi contribution sa akong kinabuhi sa adlaw sa pag-pull out. Thank you. Og birthday mo man, so dapat ikaw na mag-adjust, mag-translate ha. Happy birthday, Miss Girlie. Ingat lagi.
Hello kapatid, happy birthday. Alam mo na mga wish ko, gusto ko lagi kang masaya. Siyempre, good health. Wish you, love you.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. Una sa lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat. I just want you to know how much I truly appreciate everything that you've done for me. Lahat ng hard work, sacrifice na binibigay mo sa akin. It made such big difference in my life. And I can never thank you enough sa walang sawang suporta at pagmamahal na ibinibigay mo sa akin. Kasi sa akin, tita, you're like a second mother. Always there to guide me and help me chase my dreams. And ang wish ko lang para sa'yo is endless happiness, good health, and all the love that you deserve. Enjoy your day, tita. Ingat palagi. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, sis!
Hi, Tita Ge.
Happy birthday! Thank you for everything that you've done to us.
Thank you for cooking our foods.
Enjoy your day and stay healthy.
God bless you.
We love you!
Hi, Miss Bernie. Happiest birthday. Diba? Taas na energy ko kahit 6:50 a.m. this Saturday. Actually, hindi ko alam paano ilulusot ng video ratings na to. Actually, it's my idea. Pero ako ang nahirapan. But by the way, love ko. Happiest birthday to you. Hopefully, hindi mo ito naririnig habang nasa kwarto ka. Alam ko, any kulas-kus dito dinig ang kwarto. But by the way, love ko, happiest birthday, enjoy your day, and hopefully all our dreams, especially your dreams, will become true. Hindi man ngayon, alam natin yan, basta kasama. And love ko, thank you for understanding, thank you for the love, thank you for the patience, thank you for unconditional love, and thank you for taking care of me. Thank you sa lahat. Basta alam mo yun yung sacrifices from your family, from us. Thank you. Basta mag-ingat lagi, be good health. Basta yun lang.